get your residential window cleaning quote, just fill out the form below with the quantities of the various pane sizes that you have in your home, and include as well any shower glass panels, mirrors, and etc. that you want cleaned. Don't obviously include anything that you don't want to appear in the quote, and remember to count the fly screens as well. Now when it comes to the pane sizes for glass, we count 3 different sizes for residential windows. So small means that you can cover it with your hand, an open hand. If that can cover the pane of glass, we consider it to be small. Medium is too large for your hand to cover, but smaller than 85 centimeters in either width or height. Now I know what you're thinking, why 85 centimeters? That's because 85 centimeters is the standard width of your average doorway. So it gives you a point of reference so that you know what that looks like, and you can sort of get that gauge on sizing relatively easily in your own home. Anything that is larger in either height or width than 85 centimeters, we consider large. The only other category of windows that you really have to worry about is high access windows, and what that means is where the glass is difficult to reach from both the inside and the outside. So obviously that factors in a little bit more time for us to get those, because they have that extra degree of difficulty for us to clean. If you have any questions or anything as you're filling this out, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be more than happy to give you